Bill, Phil, and Ray enter the arena. Today, they're making cheese-filled potato balls.
A simple, fast recipe suitable for any moment.
Phil sets the potatoes to boil.
At the same time, he cuts the cheese into even cubes.
Preparation is steady and precise.
Now he cracks the eggs into a bowl.
Add salt and pepper to taste.
Phil gently mixes the eggs without beating them.
Then he mashes the boiled potatoes and adds 2 tablespoons of flour.
The mixture becomes dense and easy to shape.
By the way, if you're watching along, tell us in the comments what filling you would add. We're curious about your ideas.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. We upload regularly.
Phil puts on gloves and begins shaping the balls.
Each gets a cheese cube inside, then goes into egg and breadcrumbs.
Ray watches closely.
He seems to be waiting for his turn.
Now Bill lights the fire.
He adds the oil and waits for it to heat.
It's slowly reaching the right temperature.
The potato balls go into the hot oil.
They only need a short fry until golden.
Crispy outside, melted cheese inside.
Time to taste. The result looks clean and golden.
Ray gets his piece, as always.
If you enjoyed this recipe, consider subscribing.
And tell us in the comments which dish you'd like to see next.